Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss about problem number 8 from module 1.1 homework. So as you mentioned, you are struggling to find out the instantaneous velocity. Actually, the instantaneous velocity is it's a slope of the tangent line at that point. So if we look at the part B, what is the instantaneous velocity of this graph when time is half hour? I need to make it bigger here, so you can see that we need to find out the slope of the tangent line at point t equal to half. So I'm going to use the PDF version of this file because I need to zoom in and find out the slope of the tangent line at the point t equal half. So here we have to um, draw the slope of the tangent line. So if I draw the line here, it's going to intersect somewhere here and somewhere here. So as you can see, this is the slope, this is the tangent line, and we need to find out the slope of this tangent line. So we know the slope of a line is actually it's a rise over run. So you just have to find out the rise and run units. So here the slope or instantaneous velocity at time t equal half is slope of this line, which is rise over run. And if you know see here, its rise is 9 and run is, if you divide this units, you can see that from 0 it's a half and it's a 1. So 1 2 3 4 different parts. This distance from here to here is actually 3/4 of this from 0 to 1. It's a 3/4 part, so the run is 3/4. You can see that from here to here it's actually it's a 1 unit, but we're dividing this 1 unit into 4 parts. So the run is actually 1 2 3 of 4 part, so you can write 3/4 of 1. So it's a 9 over 3 over 4. If you just simplify this, it's a 9 times 4 over 3, which is 12. Okay, so the answer is instantaneous velocity at t equal half is 12 miles per hour. And I'm going to talk about the technique as well. If you look at the options we have given here, the instantaneous velocity should be always positive, and so these two answers are, you can ignore them. And one of the answers is 62 miles per hour. Keep in mind, uh, instantaneous velocity, instantaneous speed, or average speed, you can see that the average speed you already found is 12 miles per hour from 0 to 1. And you can see it's, the velocity is, the speed is distant over time at that point. So 62 miles would be very high, and as we, you know, found from the, the, the picture here, the rate of change, or, uh, that slope is 12 miles per hour. Okay, so that's the answer for your question. And I also got your email about using the textbook and then homework. My suggestion for you is, if you just check any homework from this my lab plus, any homework, just go to the any homework and click that particular homework, and you always find the section from the book uh, we are using for my lab plus. So my suggestion is, look at here, for the homework 1.2, the section is 2.2. So just click here, question help, there is a textbook attached always. Use that portion of the textbook for that particular homework. So you just have to read section 2.1 from this textbook. If you don't want to use two different books, uh, then you can always use the book here, the given here. And you can also find that book in multimedia library in my Labs Plus. You can find the chapters, and you can find the sections of the chapters, and you can find the book for any part. Like section 2.1, it's the rates of change intended to the curves, which is module 1.1. Since the book we are using for this course, the textbook, it's not available in my Labs Plus, so it's open resources, the book we're using here for this course. So to make the homework, I use which is available in my Labs Plus. So one more time, if you feel like it's we just try to, at this level, we just try to conquer the topics. But if you think it's something difficult for you, then always use the book available in my Labs Plus. Hopefully you will see the connection, and it will solve your problem. Otherwise, I'm always here. Just feel free to email me, and we can go from there.